Hi everyone, I am Manana and welcome back to Manana's Way. Today I like to talk about something very dear to my heart, Christmas tradition and especially Christmas tree. Ever since I came to America, Christmas tree became more than decoration. It became tree of memories, a place where every ornament tells a story. In our home, we put up Christmas tree right after Thanksgiving. We live in an apartment so we only have a space for one tree. But somehow that one tree holds all my world. I don't decorate to just make it pretty, I decorate to remember. I call my tree tree of memories because every ornament represents place we had visited. This specific ornament represents something many people don't know. Very first glass Christmas ornament was created by Georgian men from country of Georgia. So decorating my tree even feels more meaningful. It feels like history, connection, pride hanging from every branch. This one reminds me sunshine, making new friends, and joy of discovering new place. A reminder life is a journey and every trip changes you a little bit. Like a postcard hanging from a branch, this ornament reminds me beauty exists everywhere. In big cities, small towns, and unexpected destinations. This ornament represents becoming part of America, new chapter, new home, and new identity I have grown into. This one is all about peace, mountain, nature, and feeling of being grounded. This snowman always makes me smile. It reminds me of Nashville's energy, music, and the joy of discovering new sound. How elegant! This ornament brings back memories of visiting beautiful Baltimore estates. It reminds me tradition, architecture, and magic of holidays. This ornament brings me back to Portugal's charm and the most magical fairy tale wedding I ever attended. When I stand in front of my tree, I just don't see the ornaments, I see my life, where I have been, where I come from, and where I'm going. Every ornament is a reminder to be grateful, grateful for travel, for memories, for roots, for growth, and for new beginnings. Christmas isn't just about lights and gifts. It's about remembering the moment that made you who you are. Thank you for watching Manana's Way. If this episode warmed your heart, share it with someone you love and follow for more. Until next time, stay warm, stay loving, and keep walking your way. Manana's Way.